Hello, my preschoolers. Hello, my toddlers. Hello, my shining stars. Hello, my kiddos. Welcome back to the channel, Kids Learning Lounge by Angel. Oh, I hope you're enjoying my videos and learning the blend. So we are learning the blend of letter S. Another blend in our basket is letter S having hissing sound. S. Letter T having tapping sound. Hissing sound, s, tapping sound, t, s, t, s, t, s, t, s, t, st. When S blends with T, make sound st, 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 st. There are the few words you can read. S, read with me, everybody. St, st, or p. Yes, stop. Stir, stir, or stir. Great. Everybody know this? Stir, stir, star, star. Very good. Stir, st, e, ck. Stick, stick, AIR. Have you seen the video in which I told you about the words which ends with AIR? What sound they make? Air. Stairs. There's an S in the last. Stairs. St, st, st. St, st, st. Great.